Today I show how to buy shares of RUSH Enterprises Inc., demonstrating the steps to find RUSHA on a broker. RUSH Enterprises runs commercial vehicle dealerships and service centers, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker RUSHA. This is an informational tutorial only and not investment advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the flow. After signing up, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RUSHA to find RUSH Enterprises Inc. Make sure you select the listing that matches the NASDAQ exchange and the company name. On the stock page, you will see basic company details and a price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset before proceeding. Select Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details carefully and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio view, so you can monitor it there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description if you want to follow the same demo.